2026 can be your year. Not maybe. Not someday. But this year. The year everything finally changes for you. A year of growth. A year of discipline. A year of progress. A year where you stop surviving and start building the version of you that you've always imagined. You deserve it. You are capable of it. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make 2026 the best year of your life. Why most people fail. Every year, millions of people say, this year will be different. And by February, nothing changes. Not because they're lazy. Not because they're unlucky. But because they never change the process. They set huge goals. But they don't break them down. They dream big. But they don't act small. They want success. But they live the same habits. And habits always win. If you keep the same routine, you keep the same results. 2026 will only be different if you become different. Your mindset. Your habits. Your environment. Your actions. That's where everything begins. Create your 2026 identity. Before achieving anything, you must decide who you want to become in 2026. Not what you want, but who you want to be. Do you want to be disciplined? Do you want to be confident? Do you want to be financially strong? Do you want to be healthy, focused, consistent? Write your 2026 identity in one sentence. I am a person who shows up every day. I am a person who keeps promises to myself. I am a person who grows constantly. Your identity creates your habits. Your habits create your results. Your results create your life. Change starts inside you first. Build your 3 core goals. People fail because they set 20 goals. That leads to zero action. So in 2026, choose 3 core goals. Just 3. 1 for your mind. 1 for your body. 1 for your future. Example. Mind, learn a new skill, read 20 books. Body, lose 10 kilograms, gain strength, run daily. Future, start a business, grow your channel, save money. 3 goals give you clarity. Clarity gives you focus. Focus gives you power. These 3 goals are your 2026 mission. Everything else is noise. Break them into monthly targets. Big goals scare your brain. Small goals activate your brain. So take each of your 3 goals and break them into 12 months. If you want to get fit, January, 10 workouts. February, 15 workouts. March, 20 workouts. And so on. If you want to read books, January, 1 book. February, 2 books. March, 2 books. If you want to save money, January, save 20,000. February, save 25,000. March, save 30,000. Success is not magic. Success is math. Small monthly targets create big yearly achievements. Master the daily 1% rule. Here is the real secret. Not motivation. Not inspiration. Micro improvement. Just 1% every day. Tiny actions. Tiny progress. Tiny habits. Because 1% daily equals 37 times improvement in 1 year. This is how ordinary people become extraordinary. Read 10 pages. Walk 20 minutes. Practice a skill for 15 minutes. Work on your dream for 30 minutes. Small actions, done daily, make you unstoppable. You don't need perfect days. You need consistent days. Remove the things that slow you down. You can't grow if you're being drained. So in 2026, eliminate these from your life. Negative people. Endless scrolling. Late-night distractions. Pointless drama. Overthinking. Self-doubt. These things steal your time. Steal your energy. Steal your potential. A phone can waste 3 hours daily. Imagine investing those hours into skills, fitness, money, growth. Your whole life would change. Cut distractions. Cut excuses. Cut the noise. Protect your energy like your life depends on it. Because it does. Build discipline with the 3 non-negotiables. Every successful person has non-negotiables. 3 daily habits they never skip. No matter what. Choose your 3 for 2026. For example, 20 minutes of exercise. 20 minutes of skill learning. 10 minutes of reading or journaling. These habits build discipline. Discipline builds confidence. Confidence builds results. Motivation fades. Systems stay. Your non-negotiables are your system. Track your progress. Tracking turns effort into improvement. Because when you write things down, you see progress clearly. Use a notebook or app. Check progress weekly. You'll notice something powerful. You'll start doing more. Because progress motivates you. Seeing your growth makes you hungry for more. Embrace failure and keep moving. You will fail. Yes, you will. But failure is not the end. Failure is feedback. Every successful person failed more times than others even tried. If you fall, get up. If you slip, reset. If you collapse, restart. Failure only becomes permanent when you stop trying. In 2026, promise yourself, no matter what happens, I will not quit. This alone puts you ahead of 90% of people. Upgrade your environment. You become what you're surrounded by. If you stay around lazy people, you become lazy. If you stay around negative people, you become negative. If you stay around dreamers, builders, doers, you become one of them. Upgrade your environment, watch good content. Follow inspiring people. Talk to people who want to grow. Spend time with people who challenge you. People who make you uncomfortable in a good way. Your environment shapes your destiny. Take action before you feel ready. Most people wait for the perfect moment. But perfect moments don't exist. Start small. Start imperfect. Start today. Because action creates clarity. And clarity creates success. Visualize the new you. Picture the version of you at the end of 2026. Stronger. Disciplined. Focused. Successful. Now take actions that match that version. Every single day. 2026 can be your year. Not because of luck. Not because of magic. But because of your choices. Your effort. Your discipline. Your growth. Remember this, 1% a day. One action at a time. One step forward, even a small one. And by December 2026, you won't even recognize the old you. You will look back and say, this was the year I finally changed. Comment below one goal you will achieve in 2026. Just one. Because the moment you write it, your journey begins. And remember, 2026 is not just another year. It's your year. Make it legendary.